Proper 2025 is candidate number... Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. I need one more confirmation from the official tabulator himself. Sir, may I request your presence here, please? Our official tabulator. I don't want to do this wrong. This is very crucial. I just want to verify how will we be doing this. Our official tabulator, please. We'd rather be right and slow than wrong and fast.
Hoy, lingkod, lingkod.
Our SK Treasurer as our official tabulator, please. Our final five, best of luck, ladies. Please do remember that whatever the result tonight is a matter of performance and destiny. Arrangement was wrong, but we had it confirmed. Our patnubay ng Agdao Proper 2025 is candidate number 1, Dennis E. Imoy. Congratulations, Dennis E. Imoy, our patnubay ng Agdao Proper 2025. Up next, Pag-asa ng Agdao Proper 2025.
Our Pag-asa ng Agdao Proper 2025 will be crowned by Mr. Eldel Daniles and will be sashed by Ms. Charlene Gaita and will be given a bouquet by Ms. Abigail Mandaya.
Our Pag-asa ng Agdao Proper 2025 is candidate number 3, Trisha May B. Guzman. Congratulations, Trisha May Guzman, Pag-asa ng Agdao Proper 2025. Up next is Sinag ng Agdao Proper 2025.
Our senior ng Agdao Proper 2025 will be crowned by Mr. Romeo Jr. Manglet and will be sashed, served, and cashed by Ms. Kagawad Jessica Alonso and will be bouqueted by SK Kagawad Charlene Gaita.
Our Sinag ng Agdao Proper 2025 is candidate number 8, Zapiel Espanyol.
the Agro Proper 2025 will be crowned by Miss Abigail General. I will be sashed by Michael Sigara and will receive a bouquet from Mr. Eugene Reyes. For our Runyan Agro Proper 2025 will be crowned by our chairman of the board, Ms. Ruby de Los Santos, and will be sashed by SK Kagawan Gaylor Aguilar and to be bouqueted by SK Chairman Glenn Delmore.
Agaweños, the name or the number that I will be calling first is this year's Diwa ng Agdao Proper 2025.